Welcome back to Nice Junk. And today we got something special. We got the logo reveal, which will happen in a bit. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. And we got some tools. Yeah. Who doesn't like tools? So I've got my trusty knife for opening up boxes. And I've got several knives for different kinds of boxes. Let's get at it. First of all, let's start with this box. And what we got is this gimbal. And yeah, that's just gonna make shooting videos even better. It's got AI tracking, so I can like track my face, and the gimbal will just turn and keep my face centered. Yeah, this is going to be amazing. Let's take a look at this. I don't know why I put away my knife. Oh, it's got 3 axes, 3 section fill light, dual expansion interfaces. Woo, amazing. It's got an app, replaceable battery, easy fold away. Oh, that's a nice bag. Aochuan. I bet you there's a zipper. Instructions. Guess maybe we'll have to read some of those. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be charged. Oh, there's a battery thing here. Here, now let's turn it on. Let's see. I don't know. I'll read the instructions, figure it out. And then next, I already opened this box because I forgot what I ordered. What I ordered is a Milwaukee Ratchet 3/8 M12 Ratchet. How does that open? 5-year warranty. Wow. I thought that normally the Milwaukee stuff was 2 year. I could have been wrong. Let's see. Design. This tool was made in Vietnam. And there she is. So this was on sale at Home Depot for 158 bucks. Nice small head. 3/8 M12. And I also ordered a couple of these batteries. The 2-pack of batteries was only $68. No, $62. And I see the packaging is built like a fortress. So what I'm going to turn around and do is go get a pair of scissors, open that up, and then put them in this ratchet. So we're back. 2 batteries. They both look the same. Amazing. Oh, it's on lock. Okay, there must be a reverse. Oh yeah, the reverse is there. Forwards. Reverse. That's going to come in really handy. So, as you can tell, I'm not at the shop. And what we're going to do next is the logo reveal. So, and I wanted to show you how committed I am to you. And in a few minutes, you'll see what I'm saying. It's the ultimate commitment. There's no greater commitment than what I've just done. So let's get at it, and we're going to reveal the new logo right now. Here it is. You voted and you chose it. I ran a little opinion survey on the Facebook and on the YouTube. I put up 6 different designs, and this is what got voted for the most. There is another design which will become a t-shirt design, and I'll pop that up now. So, I was talking to Scrap It All, and he and I have decided we're going to challenge HH Recycling to, if he wants to show his love and loyalty to me and show his commitment to nice junk, he will get a nice junk tattoo just like I did. And Scrap It All will pay for it. So make sure that you bleep bloop in the comments for HH Recycling to get this tattoo, and even go on his channel and his videos and say, accept the tattoo challenge from Nice Junk and Scrap It All. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next week. And that was some nice junk.